Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, Question 9. The depolarizing agent in a Leclanche cell is A. Carbon rod, B. Ammonium chloride, C. Manganese 4 oxide, and D. Zinc plates. Now, a Leclanche cell is a what? Is a type of wet cell. Although we have the wet and dry Leclanche cell, but the Leclanche cell actually described here is the wet Leclanche cell. Now, this Leclanche cell has various components. That is its positive terminal, its negative terminal, the depolarizing agents, and the electrolytes. But the question is asking us to identify the depolarizing agents in a Leclanche cell. Now, in a Leclanche cell, the positive terminal is the carbon rod, and that is option A. Now, the negative terminal is the what? Zinc plates, and that is option D. Now, the electrolytes is what? Is the ammonium chloride. And that is option B. And now the depolarizing agents is the manganese 4 oxide, and that is option C. So manganese 4 oxide is the depolarizing agent in a Leclanche cell. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.